Welcome to our module 5.1 in Intermediate Excel. We are continuing this module in text function. There are a few other formulas for text function as well. Now in this video exercise we'll look at how to use exact function and logical condition. Before we use this function we'll use before using exact function we'll use a logical condition. Now if you see here we have two passwords, but the characters are same, but if you see the first letter is capital in B3 and in B4 we have A as capital but all other characters are in small. Now let's assume you're in a database for a company and you come across this type of situation and you want to determine the answer in true or false. Let's try to solve it through logical condition comparator, which is we're going to use here. I'm going to write is equal to sign, then choose the cell which is B3, but if you notice I'm pressing F4 to lock it from all the sides, and then I'm going to use is equal to sign again, and then I'm going to use B4 and then lock it. Press enter. So if you see, it's showing us the logical condition for this one, and then I'm going to drag it down. It also showing true. So logical condition is showing true. Now let's say if it's password and the other word is not password or something else, then it will show true, but it's catching the whole spelling but it doesn't look into capital or small letters, whereas exact function it does look into that. Now I'll use the exact function here. I'm going to start with is equal to sign, then I'll use exact open parenthesis. I'm going to use my text one, which is password in B3, and then I'll lock it, and then I'll use comma, and then I'll use text 2 now, which is our B4, and then lock it down again. Close parenthesis. I'm going to press enter. Now as you can see it's coming up as false because it's not basically taking all the characters in small letters. There's one capital letter, that's why it's changing it to false. If they're not case sensitive, then you can use logical condition, but if they're case sensitive you can use exact function. These are two functions we wanted to talk about, which are really basic as well, and we'll see you in the next video.